Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the LsBluu YouTube channel. This is your first video. We do a lot of LS swapped S10 stuff, drag racing, nitrous drag racing. We break it, we fix it, and I'll show you how to do it. Go ahead and click subscribe so you don't miss anything. And if you're a returning subscriber, this video is what I've been working on, keeping kind of a secret from you guys for the past like 3 months. So let's get to it. As you can obviously see, the S10 is in a garage. My garage. It's about a car and a half, not quite a half. It's not huge, but it's my own place. I have bought a house with my wife, and I'm excited to start, working on the truck from home. I have this nice place to make videos at now, where I'm not in the shop waiting for drivers to leave or standing out in my front yard at my apartment. I can make a video in my garage without having to worry about anybody except the cat. And it's quite nice. So I'll give you a small little tour. We'll go outside and take the truck out for a little cruise and just enjoy this nice, beautiful Saturday. So we haven't fully unpacked and moved in yet, but we're for the most part moved in. This place isn't perfect. It's got a couple little things that we have to take care of, but it's no big deal. I wasn't expecting a perfect place for the price. We could not turn this place up. My door back there, previous owners had a dog, and the dog chewed it up. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about Shadow doing that because he doesn't give a damn about anything. But we now have this nice little garage to store some stuff, as you can tell, and to park the truck for wrench turning activities, which will occur, and I already have things planned for it here in the very, very near future. But it's my own now. Yeah, I've got to fix that. That don't look very good, but oh well. You can see this is a very beautiful neighborhood. Golf course. I do believe my old car has had its last fight. And before anybody says anything, yes, those numbers have been on there a very long time. I haven't washed the truck any at all. It has been very cold here and very rainy. I looked up and got a beautiful day today, but I don't care. We're just gonna drive the truck. My car is down, and the truck's just gonna be a daily driver for right now. It'll get washed when it gets washed. Well, this is it. My new home. I've never been a fan of a tri-level, but we fell in love with this place, that's for damn sure. This morning we are going to go for a cruise. Once the GoPro gets charged up, we're going to go get some breakfast and just enjoy this day, because it's beautiful out here. So let's get to it. So I got a new GoPro. Gracie bought me a GoPro Hero 7 White for Christmas, and that's what I'm using right now. So this camera is mounted to my dash, which is cracked all to hell. This angle is probably going to be the angle that I use during my drag races. So it's not all of a sudden an unfamiliar. Man, that's a sharp Challenger. This will be the drag racing angle. The truck is back on 87 pump gas. There's old Turtle Man over there. The actual Call of the Wild Man, Turtle Man. The things you see downtown. The truck is back on regular pump gas for the time being. 93 is getting very expensive for this thing to be daily driven, and I've got to daily drive it because my car is down. But big stall lot. Pull up and drive through along with like 15 freaking people. Thank you. I didn't even have time to put my card up there. I got the food out. I do want to spin some tires this morning. Yes, that is the teddy bear from Nazi Zombies. What's the booger? This is what that cat used to look like. And now he's just this big fur ball. Well, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a real exciting past couple weeks getting all this sorted out. I've been waiting to get the place cleaned up a little bit to put it on here. And I think now's as good a time as any. I have some banners. I'm going to put up my Brian Tooley banner. I'm going to order me a nitrous outlet banner. And we're thinking about making S10 Life banners. Go over to the S10 Life website if you want any S10 Life merch. We got some shirts and hoodies on the LsBluu here. And Jarrett has some on his truck. And there's a lot of good stuff over there if you're into S10s and stuff, like me, obviously. But check that out. I'll leave a link in the description for that. But other than that, share this video, subscribe, drop a like, and we'll see it.